To explore the application as an instructor, enter the instructor's credential we shared with you. Instructors can create tests, surveys, and training courses and can fully manage the ones where they are assigned as managers. To create a new test, hover over the test section in the main menu and select the Create New Test. The system will lead you through the test creation process. The fastest way to create a test is to leave the default settings, attach one of the existing certificates, and generate tests using the questions from the sample question pools. After that, all you need to do is to set up a passing mark and save your test. Of course, feel free to play around with various settings to try out many possibilities our solution offers. Your test is now in a draft mode. To publish it, create a testing session that will determine who can take the test and when. We will create a global session by enabling self-enrollment. But you can associate a session with any user group, testing location, or training course. Availability lets you determine the exact time when the session is open. You can check out the test-taking process from the student's perspective by accessing the student's account, or you can check out the test you created as an instructor by selecting the Preview option. To explore the application using other security roles, check out other instructional videos we share with you.